Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two highly anticipated graphics cards. The MSI Gaming RTX 5060Ti and the XFX Swift AMD Radeon RX 906 OXT. Both cards promise exceptional performance for gamers looking to push their systems to the limit. We'll explore their specifications, cooling solutions, and unique features to see which one comes out on top. Let's get started. The MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti is built on NVIDIA's cutting-edge Blackwell architecture, designed for extreme performance and efficiency. This architecture is expected to deliver superior ray tracing capabilities and advanced upscaling technologies. In contrast, the XFX Swift RX 906 OXT utilizes AMD's RX 9000 series architecture, which excels in traditional rasterization performance, but typically lags behind NVIDIA in ray tracing. Both architectures target high refresh rate gaming, but their approaches differ significantly. Cooling is critical for maintaining performance, especially during intense gaming sessions. The MSI RTX 5060 Ti features the advanced TORX Fan 4.0 cooling system, which ensures low temperatures and quiet operation even under heavy loads. On the other hand, the XFX RX 906 OXT is equipped with a robust triple-fan cooling solution that not only looks great, but also effectively manages heat. Both cards are designed to keep their cores cool, but the MSI's cooling technology is particularly noteworthy for overclocking enthusiasts. When it comes to price, the MSI RTX 5060 Ti is priced at $554, while the XFX RX 906 OXT comes in slightly cheaper at $539. Despite the small price difference, the RX 906 OXT offers a superior price-to-performance ratio, especially for gamers focused on traditional rasterization. However, the RTX 5060 Ti's advanced features and ray tracing capabilities may justify its higher price for those who prioritize cutting-edge technology. Ultimately, the choice will depend on your specific gaming needs and budget. In conclusion, both the MSI Gaming RTX 5060 Ti and the XFX Swift AMD Radeon RX 906 OXT offer compelling features for gamers. The RTX 5060 Ti excels in ray tracing and advanced upscaling, while the RX 906 OXT provides excellent rasterization performance at a slightly lower price. Depending on your gaming preferences, either card could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth comparisons and reviews.